In Macomb, homeowners know that the weather can be unpredictable. From heavy snowfall in winter to intense thunderstorms in the summer, the elements can put a strain on your home's roof. As the first line of defense against harsh weather, your roof plays a crucial role in keeping your home safe, secure, and comfortable. To ensure that your roof performs optimally throughout the year, it's essential to properly prepare it for the harsh weather conditions that are common in the Macomb area. Here's how professional roofing services in Macomb can help you prepare your roof to handle whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Inspection to identify weak spots. One of the first steps in preparing your roof for harsh weather is to have a professional inspection. A roofing expert will thoroughly assess your roof's condition, looking for any signs of damage or wear. In areas like Macomb, where snow, ice, and strong winds are common in the winter, it's essential to ensure that your roof is structurally sound. During the inspection, a professional roofer will check for missing or damaged shingles. These can allow water, snow, or debris to infiltrate the roof, leading to leaks or water damage. Cracks or gaps in the flashing. Flashing seals the edges of your roof around vents, chimneys, and skylights. Gaps can allow rain or snow to leak into your home. Sagging or weak areas. Over time, the weight of snow or ice can cause areas of your roof to weaken. A roofer can identify and reinforce these weak spots before they become bigger problems. Once the inspection is complete, the roofer will provide recommendations for any repairs or replacements needed to ensure your roof is prepared to withstand extreme weather conditions. Proper insulation to prevent ice dam. In Macomb, winter weather can bring about the formation of ice dams, which occur when melting snow on the roof refreezes along the eaves. This can block the flow of water, causing it to pool up and potentially leak into your home. Ice dams can lead to serious damage, including water stains, mold growth, and even structural issues. Roofing experts can help prevent ice dams by ensuring that your roof is properly insulated and ventilated. Insulation helps to keep the temperature consistent across the roof, preventing the snow from melting too quickly. Proper ventilation ensures that warm air doesn't accumulate in the attic, which can also contribute to ice dam formation. A roofer may recommend adding insulation or upgrading your attic ventilation system to help avoid this problem. Strengthening your roof structure. In preparation for extreme weather events, particularly high winds or heavy snow, it's important to ensure that your roof can handle the stress. Roofing professionals in Macomb can assess the overall structural integrity of your roof and make necessary reinforcements. For instance, stronger fasteners and adhesives. In areas that experience high winds or frequent storms, reinforcing the shingles with stronger fasteners can prevent them from being blown off. Reinforcing the roof deck. If your roof deck is showing signs of wear, reinforcing it can prevent sagging or other structural issues under heavy snow or wind pressure. By strengthening your roof structure, you can avoid costly repairs after a storm and ensure that your roof can handle even the most intense weather conditions. Clearing debris to prevent water damage. Another key step in preparing your roof for harsh weather is ensuring that it is free from debris. Fallen branches, leaves, and other debris can block gutters, which prevent proper water drainage. If your gutters are clogged, rainwater or melting snow can back up and seep into your home, leading to leaks and water damage. Roofing companies in Macomb offer gutter cleaning and maintenance services to ensure that your gutters are clear and functioning properly. They may also inspect and repair damaged or sagging gutters to make sure water flows freely off your roof. By keeping your gutters clean, you reduce the risk of water damage during storms or snowmelts. Installing impact-resistant roofing materials for homes located in areas prone to extreme weather, such as high winds or hail, impact-resistant roofing materials can be an invaluable investment. These materials are designed to withstand hail, flying debris, and intense winds, which can cause significant damage to standard roofing systems. Roofing experts in Macomb can help you choose impact-resistant shingles or metal roofing options that provide superior protection. Not only will these materials protect your roof from storm damage, but they also increase the longevity of your roof, ensuring that it continues to perform well for years to come. Regular maintenance for longevity. Roofing maintenance is a proactive approach to prevent costly repairs. Regular maintenance helps extend the lifespan of your roof and ensures it remains in top condition through every season. Professional roofers can provide annual maintenance services, including cleaning gutters, checking the roof for damage, and performing small repairs before they become bigger problems. Regular maintenance also allows roofers to detect and address any minor issues before they turn into major concerns during harsh weather events. This ongoing attention to your roof's health ensures that it is always ready to face whatever weather conditions may arise in Macomb. Final thought. Preparing your roof for harsh weather in Macomb is essential for safeguarding your home against the unpredictable elements. Roofing experts in Macomb can help you achieve peace of mind by providing thorough inspections, insulation upgrades, structural reinforcements, and cleaning services that ensure your roof is ready for winter snow, ice, and strong winds. By investing in professional roof maintenance and upgrades, you can protect your home from costly damage and extend the lifespan of your roof, all while enhancing its ability to withstand the harsh weather conditions that often come with living in Macomb. Take the necessary steps now to keep your home safe, comfortable, and secure throughout every season.